I do. I want to talk about ideas. I want to talk about, I've always been that person and it's never been the money. So the song that you guys heard me play at the beginning, first off, Rosie gets all the credit because she, put me on to it. Let me talk like a little, I don't know, a cool kid, but she put me on to that song. And I think I've been listening to it every morning with my little stretches and yoga and the vibration plate stuff. That's who I am. I have never built this stuff for the money. Some of y'all know my background story, but that was never it for me. And somehow I continue to keep pursuing these businesses ideas. I've made my 7 figures in multiple different industries more than once, but it's not the money. And it took me a long time to realize that 6 figure trading coach, because it's hard, right? You have this motivation and then you're like, why am I doing all this work? Like, I don't have to do this. Like, why am I overexerting myself, right? The 6 figure trading coach is my passion project. It is my passion to go help people like the people in my chat in the middle of the night who are just desperate and hungry and they're just trying to change their situation. And I cannot promise you that I can change your life. I can just promise you that business and mindset I got. I did not come from much. Single mom of 3 kids. I've had my plenty of life-altering challenges up and down, but that I've got. People like me don't look at just the problem to a situation. We see something, we know that there's weaknesses, but how are we going to capitalize? How are we going to fix it, right? How are we going to make it work even minutely? And from there we can build.